Yo, what's happening? Matt here. Alright, I'm going to show you a powerful yoga-inspired exercise that I've been doing for the last couple months that really helps channel energy up your spine so that you can open up your third eye and become enlightened, which is the whole point of it all. So we're going to sit on our knees like this. It might be a little difficult for some, so you can put like a rolled up towel or something underneath. But yeah, I've been doing it for a while, so my knees are pretty limber. Okay, so you're going to put your hands on your knees, and what you want to do is activate your Muladhara chakra. That's the chakra, the energy system at the very base of your spinal cord. And you're going to want to activate it, and so that you can channel all energy up through the crown of your head, so that you can experience bliss, see enlightenment, and just feel fucking awesome, which is the point in itself. It's also a great exercise if you're channeling sexual energy for spiritual development. Maybe I'll do another video on that some other day. But yeah, so you're going to sit here on your knees, and you're stretching out your quads, and your knees might burn a little bit. That's good. It's just letting out all the fear and angst that's trapped in your knees. You're going to want to massage them with your hands. Try to feel the energy coming from your center of your palm onto your knees. Alright, now for the soul explosion itself. You're going to activate the Muladhara chakra by squeezing your anus and leaning forward a little bit. Take a deep breath in, and then exhale all your air. And then even after you've exhaled everything, keep exhaling to like a silent, powerful inner laugh. It might look kind of funny, but yeah, so you don't really do these in public, but on your own time. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. So there it is, the soul explosion. Yeah, I probably do about 100 of those a day at least. So yeah, you can see what would happen if you started doing that a lot. Then after a couple good soul explosions, you just want to do some headstands. So you could probably lean over. This also channels the energy. This also will channel the energy down. You can do headstands for a good 5, 10, 15 minutes. Especially good to do right before bed. You start having some awesome dreams and really good night's sleeps. You can also do one of these just to stretch out the back. You'll need it after some good soul explosions. Alright guys, have a good one.